Hi everyone, I'm JD Hoovener, your host of the Bold Today Show, where you, the inventor, entrepreneur, or business owner, get your daily dose of inspiration so you can make the world a better place. All right, happy Monday again. This is awesome. I'm excited to share this 10-part series showing you all of your options. All right, I know you're all inventors out there, entrepreneurs, and you've thought about bringing that next product to the market and what's it going to take. You know, you've really got to consider all of your options. I know every single one of you out there is savvy. You know, you've really thought hard. I mean, you've showed up to educational programs like this, the Bold Today Show, because you're hungry. You want to learn more. And so I'm proud of you for that. And because I know that, I want to make sure we explore every single option that's out there for moving your product forward in terms of patenting. So we're going to start this week, and we'll do next week with the patent applications. This week is all about the patentability search and what your options are in terms of when you do a patent search, or if you do at all. So today we're going to dedicate the discussion about the option of not doing a search at all. Yeah, that's an option. I don't recommend it, and we're going to go through all the reasons why today. Okay, so let's think about the very first part of patent consideration. Is your patent even eligible? Do you know if it meets the requirements for novelty, non-obviousness, and utility? By not doing a search, you're not going to know. You won't know that because you won't know the law, and you won't know what else is out there to begin with. And so what's interesting is that even though you may have something that you think is new, by not doing a search at all, it's sort of obvious to say someone else could have already done it. A simple Google search could pull up a result that, oh my gosh, you know, this has already been done before, maybe not exactly like yours, but the 99% aspect, the heart of your invention, has already been out there. You've got to do some level of searching. Let's take a look at the second criteria. You know, are there advisors that are going to be helping you and be able to get this decision pointed out? Again, if you don't do a search at all, you're not bringing on anyone else like a counselor or advisor, third party. You're simply saying it's not worth my time. And so by ignoring that big aspect of taking some time and doing the diligence up front, you're potentially lining yourself up for a major hurdle. By going into, for example, the patent application process without having done a search, you are likely spending thousands of dollars, right? Wasting your money and time writing an application or hiring someone to write an application without having done that homework done up front. The examiner is going to go do their own search, okay? And so they're going to come back with a list of results. And you don't want to be surprised by that list. You know, when they go look for prior art, which is basically any publication that's been out there in your industry, they're going to be able to cite specific references from any country in the world, including the US, of course, on patent documents and non-patent literature documents too. That includes anything everyone's ever published online. It's quite vast, and so this search is comprehensive. If you don't have foresight into what the examiner is going to be looking at, you don't really know how to write your application to go around that prior art. So by not having done a search, you've set yourself up for failure. Look, I don't mean to be too harsh. I know a lot of people out there are trying to just bootstrap and do their best. This is not a point to skip. Doing your own diligence, doing some work up front to get a search done is super important. We're going to talk about tomorrow what it means to do at least something by doing your own search. But again, looking at that and saying, gosh, is it really worth my own time? Is it the best effort, best use of my time and money to do the search myself? Or might it be better to hire someone to do it? Well, if you've enjoyed this session, please take a look at us online. If you have any further questions, please book a free 30-minute consultation at boldpatents.com. We'll be happy to talk with you about the patent search process and what's involved there. I'm your host, JD Hoovener of the Bold Today Show. Go big, go bold.